Let us now see how to work with retracted images. In cases with a low lip position or when detailed treatment planning is needed, especially when gingival margins are not visible, you can upload an additional retracted image. Make sure this retracted image is taken at the same angulation as the extraoral image for an accurate match. Clinical tip: ask the patient to stand against a wall with their neck supported on a glove box. Use retractors, ask them to say E, and click the photo. Then, without moving the head position, remove the retractors and capture the extraoral smile image. Once uploaded, click Next. On the image mapping screen, mark 2 common points on the extraoral image and the corresponding 2 on the retracted image. Use easily identifiable landmarks like the canine tips. Once all 4 points are marked, click Next. Now refine the image alignment using the blue and green control points to ensure a seamless blend between both images. Use the opacity slider to check the fit.